Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can post a long video on your WhatsApp status. So let's dive in. Now, usually when you post a video on a WhatsApp status, you are only restricted to post 30 seconds long of your video. And what happens is when you try to upload a video, it's automatically shortened to the first 30 seconds of your video. So today I am going to show you how you can go about the option of the 30 seconds and you can post your whole video in your WhatsApp. Now what you can do is you can go ahead to the App Store and download an app called CapCut. Go ahead to the App Store and download an app called CapCut. And CapCut is a free video editor that can help you split your video into 30-second long segments. And you can see that I've loaded my video in CapCut, and all you want to do is to scroll your marker to the 30-second mark, and you want to click split, and you can see that I have precisely divided my video into a 30-second segment. So the next thing you want to do is to delete the rest of the video after the 30-second segment, and you can see I have my 30-second segment. Next, you want to go ahead and export your video. Go ahead and export your video, and after it's been exported, you want to go ahead back to your WhatsApp status, and you can see I have my video 30 seconds long. Now if I want to go ahead and post the next 30-second segment, all I have to do is to go back to CapCut, make my marker to the 30-second mark, split my video, and post the next segment again. And if it was even longer than that, you have to go back again to CapCut and split it into a 30-second segment again. And you can do that, and you'll find that you'll be able to post your full video on your WhatsApp status. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope that you found this information helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.